go. 99,999. 99,999 miles. We're going for 100,000 miles here today in this vehicle. I'm driving right here, right now. Going for 100,000 miles. If you can see it here. Let me adjust it maybe a little bit. We're on 99,999. Everybody line up, get ready to rock and roll here. 100,000 miles. We're gonna have a party. Gonna have a party at 100,000 miles. Party at 100,000 miles. Party 99,999,999. Hey, you better get ready. We're gonna hit 100,000 miles there. We're gonna go ape shit. Trip 158 miles, but we're going for 100,000 miles in the old speedometer, odometer, pedometer, odometer. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We're coming up on 100,000 miles here. Everybody get ready. Come on, I can't hear you. Are you ready? 100,000 coming up. We're getting ready to roll this sucker over. We're getting ready to go overtime. We're getting ready to go crazy, everybody. Come on. Come on, everybody. Come on. Jump up and down. Scream and shout. Go ape shit. Come on. It's the 100,000 mile party on your vehicle. We're gonna go insane today. This is technology right here. Going 100,000 freaking miles on the vehicle. We're coming up. We are at a stop sign right this minute. Stop light. I'm so close. It's so close you can taste it. The 100,000 mile marker. Let's drink some hot water. That shit's good. Hot water's been in the car all day. That is good. Hey, but whatever it takes for me to get this 100,000 miles up and running for you, the at-home viewer, to see and check it out. 99,999. We're sitting at a stop red light. We're gonna turn left here at this light. And then we're getting ready to freaking party. Once we hit 100,000 miles here. I don't know who else has ever done this before. Is it a phenomenon? 100,000. Whoa! And he hit 100,000 miles! Woo! Yeah, baby! 100,000 mile marker! Everybody go nuts! Once in a lifetime opportunity, 100,000 miles. We're freaking partying in style. Over and out, 100,000 mile marker. You go crazy.